Opening different document types. Another free lesson to help you become a better coder. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Your continued support helps make these videos possible. And as always, I thank you all for watching this video. In this video, I will show you how to save and open different document types. The key to accomplish this is to turn a command button into a hyperlink control. Let's see how I accomplish this. Good morning. Okay, today what I want to show you, let's see, I've got this message comment here somewhere down here way back when, and it just came to mind. Let me see, keep going, Jack, keep going. Let's see, keep going. A while back. Oh, here you go. This guy. Rashesh says, thanks that you are awesome. Can we have a table that stores all the documents related to the project? Such as Word, Excel, and so on and so forth. Legal stuff. And then we can have a button in the form which browse the file and save the folder. If you want to see the document, click the button. And what did I reply? This is a while back. It's like 12 days ago. Yes, you can save any file, just like saving images. So I want to do this. That way I can help him out. Or maybe he has already implemented it. But in which case, I'm going to do this portion right here. I am going to do this one. Alright, so let's close that out. We know our objective. What's our objective? Let's go to Access. New database. We are going to browse to all folder and save all the stuff into all folder. Access projects. Let's get a new. How about access file document? Yeah, that's good. Remember, if you name your database, whatever you name your documents, you cannot reuse that name, all right, in your module or your class, all right. So I will go ahead and type in access file document. Let's do this. Yeah, let's do that. Just in case we want to use the access file document. All right, so let's save that and create. So it pops up to this new table here. We'll go ahead and because it's I'm interested in just showing you how to do these things. All right, let's call this table access file document. That's the reason why I didn't name that access file document, did I? Let me see, did I? Oh, right here. Oh, application, file application. Okay, good. Now the ID here, let's rename that access file document ID. I am gonna keep this auto number because you know, I'm a little lazy here. I call file name, file description. Oops, if I know how to spell, right? And then how about file path? Those are the three things that you will need. That's, yeah, basically. All right, so I'm gonna save that. The next thing that I want to do here, let's grab all automation, our object automation. All right, we're gonna grab more object automation. So I'm gonna go to the project animation. Now I could go here. I could go. Let me see. Is there automation right here? Automation CRUD. All right. But the reason why I want to grab this one from here, because I have made minor adjustment to the file, so that's why I want to go there. All right. So I don't want any table here. One thing I want is create object. I also want to grab a form that way I don't have to redo the whole thing. All right, so I'm going to grab. You know what? This guy seems to be a little light. All right, just a couple of names, and then right there as well. That is subform for this guy. All right. The next thing that I want is I'm going to need a file function. Let's see, what else do I need? Oh yeah, the object automation. Those two guys. All right. We're not going to worry about the rest of them, and we're gonna tweak some of these guys in here. Okay. So let's go ahead and grab those guys. Perfect. You got it, mister. You got it. All right. Now let's go into this file function here. See this? I'm not gonna go into this save stream image, but we are interested in copy file right here. All right, and I'm not interested in the selected folder. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and take that out. Take that out, and I will also take this guy out. See there? All right, that's all we want to modify. All right, because we're not interested in where to save the file. We just want to save the file. So save, Control S, and now let's make our CRUD. All right, let's make our CRUD right here. Create object, and the table is this guy right here. Access file document. Great. Copy. Back to the code behind. Insert class object, class module. This is a class module, right? This one is access file document, and that's the reason why I don't want to use that name for the application name. I'm going to leave everything the same as is. All right, so Control S, save. Let's see, the next thing that we want to do is to create my module. All right, this one is access file document db access. All right, now I'm gonna grab the right hand side, select, copy, pop back, and paste. All right, save. So one thing that we want to modify, because it is an auto number, you see here, because it's an auto number. All right, if it's new, this guy's going to be 0, and you don't want to save 0. You can't. And auto number, you cannot save an ID. You have to remember that. All right, so I'm going to comment that out. Okay, but how are you going to get the recent ID that's been added to? So I'm going to comment this out. I'm going to show you how to get this thing. All right, so if I go too far ahead of you, you might not get it, because we're working with the auto number. So these are the things that you have to remember. I'm going to just comment this out. Need to get recently added ID. All right, because if you send a 0 in here, you can, you have no idea. You can't grab. You gotta grab it somehow. But I'm gonna show you. All right, I'm gonna show you. So that's all we are going to do there. We're done there, by the way. That was nice and quick. So close that out. Now all we need to do is modify this guy right here. I'm gonna go right there and change his record source to all table. See that? All table, access file document. And then in behind here there is a employee ID there. We're gonna change that to document ID. Alright, and then this name right here, title name, we're gonna change that to file name. And the description, that too, we're gonna change to our description, file description. Alright, and that's it. That's it. And here we are just going to say, that's fine. We're not gonna go into all that. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and delete that. As a matter of fact, I am going to shrink this down to right there. And then change this label to not number of record, but we're gonna call this a file name. Label file name. It says caption employee name. Anyways, let's call that file name. Alright, and we're gonna copy this guy. Copy, paste, move him to right, and make this guy the same width as the bottom one, widest. Good. And change his name to description. And that's good right there. Now we are going to highlight that guy, move it up right there, and maybe bold it up a little bit here. Let's do background normal, color little shady. Where are you, shady? Yeah, looks good. How about bold, weight, BO. That's it. Save. Alright. One thing I want to close this one. One thing I want to do here. Let's rename this guy. Alright, let's rename this guy. Rename SOM. It's called access file document. Alright, let's go back in there. Yeah, should have done that in there earlier, but anyways, now let's go to the code behind right here. Remember this guy, this is a file, right? File, and here is also a file. I'm going to change its name. It's called display access file, and that's good enough. I'm going to copy that, copy, paste, and paste. All right, we don't have the search, so we just take that out. And right here, what we want is this one is access file document ID. All right, and I'm going to take this navigation out because we don't have one. Let's uncomment this out. And this is what you do. You want to tweak things like I'm doing here. All right, we're gonna call the main form as file access file document, and make sure you rename this file. All right, see this guy right here, employee title. Make sure you rename it just the way I'm spelling it out here. Form access file document, and then display access file. And don't forget, in there, make sure that name is right, just like that. All right, so now I'm just gonna come over here, replace that with access file document ID. So these are the things that you have to keep in mind. You make sure you do that now, and that's good right there. And in here, right here, we're not interested in anything here other than there, and then just delete the whole thing. We're not interested. All right, we are not interested. All we are interested is just like that. Instead of top, take all that top out. We want to retrieve everybody, and this is the access file document. That's it. That's all you have to do. Control S. So the subform is done. All right, subform is done. We can close that now. Close. Let's massage this guy. Rename this guy first to what we typed. All right. So let me show you the name. See this name right here? I'm gonna copy that. That way we are just in the same rename, just like that. You see that? Paste. Now let's massage. Oh, okay, got you. Yeah, that's fine. So right here, it doesn't see there. All right, because we renamed that thing. All you have to do is come over here to source object right here. Select all form is there. You see there? Copy that. Push it up. Good. Good. We don't have search. This guy right here will be our document file. So here again, I'm gonna pop right in here. And oh yeah, this guy right here, copy that. Make sure they're the same name here. This guy must be this guy. All right, so paste. Let's try again. Select, highlight, paste. You see there? That's good right there. One thing I want to do, because we're working with the file, all right, because we're working with the file, I'm gonna select this last one right here, copy, paste, and then move him to the right, just like that. And now name him a txt file path. All right, because we have file path in here. See, let me show you. See this file path right there? We gotta have that. All right. So let's see. Let's take a look at this guy. See, it says name right here. We're gonna change the title name to file name. File name. And then see the description right here. We also want to change that to file description. See there? Makes it easier, in it. We're not gonna worry about this little dude right here. All right. So we're gonna make things nice and simple. Now, two buttons that we want to. I'm gonna grab this guy, make a copy. Just follow along, you'll be fine. I guarantee you will be fine. This one is upload. All right. So let's go ahead. While that guy's selected, CMD. Let's call upload. Or that one's upload. Let's call get file or upload. Yeah, upload. All right. While that guy selected, this guy arranged right here. Check this out. See how it's top right? Make sure it's top left. Okay. Copy that, paste, move him to the right, and this one. Rename that guy to view document, and then view file. View document, view file. Yeah, let's be consistent. How about view file? This one upload file. Yeah, you know, be consistent. That's good. That's good. That is good right there. All right, now let's go to the code behind. We're gonna need to massage this guy, starting from the way yonder. We don't have search text. All right, take that out. See search, take that out. We'll go ahead and change this one. These are not important, but yeah, semantic. Access file doc. yeah, document. And then this guy right here, we're going to remove all that and type in access file document ID, and this one is file name, file description, one more thing, me txt. Do you know how I don't get this IntelliSense? Let me show you why. Up here, right here. All right, we gotta say how about access file? That's good enough. And here, access file document right there. You see there, access file document. All right. Control S. Let's go back onto the bottom. I think we should be able to type it in now. There you go. See there? That's the reason why. So this one is a file path. All right, continue on down. This one is access file document. Rename it to a file. We're not going to worry about the color, even the clear messages. All that is irrelevant to what we are doing. All right, but we'll go ahead and do this file. Now we don't have new employee, but we have access file, new access file document right there, and here is txt file access file document ID. Yeah, I almost forgot there. Access file, just like that. You see there? Similarly, access file document ID file. Again, file name. We're not gonna color this guy. All right. So we're gonna keep it real nice and simple here. Looks good so far, and we don't have this guy. We took that out. So we also need to massage this guy. See there? We're not interested in all that. Just like that. Now change his file name, title name to file name, and title description. That looks good right there. All right. We don't have clear error messages. All right. So I think we deleted that. Let's find it. Yep, we don't have that one. Good. So go ahead and take this guy out. We took that out. So far so good. Keep moving up. Here's a save. All right. So I'm going to first delete this guy. Say access file access ID equals me, just like that. Access file and name me, file name, access file description. And then here's the magic. You gotta dance with this thing sometimes. You say if it's no file path, I want an empty one, empty string. All right. Now, why would this guy be null? Check this out. You see there? Clear. That's why it would be null. Okay. So make sure you remember that. You're the programmer. Yeah, I'm gonna leave this like this, but modify this. I'm gonna show you something else when we get there. All right, when we get there, just bear with me. This one is, oh, not there. Access file document db access save all access, just like that. Keep moving. Yeah, I'm gonna comment out retrieve no, never mind. Oh yeah, no, we got to do this. Retrieve newly added ID, because we're using an auto number. All right, so we're gonna have to do that. Okay, remember this guy right here I mentioned to you? Gotta make sure they're the same name. Copy that, put it right there. This one is that guy. This one is access file document db access. I'm gonna remove that, replace that with that guy, like that. All access file. See that? Nice and simple. And right here I'm just gonna delete everybody. Me equals this. Obviously you don't have to do this one now, alright, because you already know what it is right here, but that's semantic. All access, yeah, it's just redundant, but it's okay. It's okay, it's not gonna hurt. File name equals all access file name. Me description file description all access file description. And here check this out. About file path. Will it ever be no? No. The reason why, look, see there, it will never be no, because we set it empty here. All right, so you can safely do this. Now if you suspect that the file would be no, you don't want to do that. All right, now we want to identify if all access file path not then else, and if. So we want to say, hey, the command view file visible true, otherwise don't show me the view file visible false. So we're gonna allow user to open up the file using that button. All right, and right here we want to say me command upload visible true. All right, so keep going, we're almost done. And right here we want to say me command upload visible false, me command view visible false. So we don't want these two buttons to show up unless it is selected. You see, unless it is selected. If it's selected, do we have any file there? If not, don't show it. All right, but the button always show, because in case you want to change and update. Okay, in case you want to change and update. Let's move up to cancel. Right here previous clear, right here else. So here we want to say document equals previous and display copy and display. See there, redisplay the item. That's what it says. All right, move up. We're almost done. We don't have this, subform, but we do have different subform, you see there, and everything stays the same. If it's saved, we want to go ahead and call display access file, you see there. We want to redisplay that one. That way if there is a file that we select, we want to show it. All right, so but you will see moving up, that's safe. Okay, right here we have different subform here, and here's the delete access file document db access, and I'm gonna remove that dot and delete it just like that. Delete successful. We clear, and this guy, we want to make sure that this upload file is invisible once we delete. Alright, that's looking good so far. Oh, right here, when you are editing, we want the user to be able to upload the file. So now we can say, okay, I can see you can upload the file, and the view false still. All right, good, we're almost done. That's pretty quick, very quick and fast. All right, see there, I changed that one, and this title name, change that file name. Oops, just like that. Also, this guy right here, see there, we are done. Look at that. Control S, save. We are done. All right, let's see what else we can do here. We're basically done. Oh, almost forgot. This right here, file object. All right, I am going to compile and let you know what's going on here, because obviously you need to load the library for these guys. All right, this is the ActiveX, an old ActiveX for stream that I show you for the browsing the browser. All right, I did the tutorial on the MS Access browser, so I added that one. I also did this one in there, so make sure you watch that one. All right, watch that video. But I'm going to compile and let you know there will be issues for these guys. All right, also this guy right here, the file picker right here, you see this guy right here, and you'll see why. All right, this is the Microsoft Office. You see MSO, Microsoft Office file picker. We're using that object to pick the file. So watch. Let's watch. Invalid qualifier. Oh, color. Yeah, we remove color. Remember? Take that out. Let's see what else. Yeah, where else do we have colors? Remember, we don't want. Yeah, we're not interested in colors. So good. I think that's it for that part. All right, let's try compile again. You see where I'm getting at? This is the XML. All right, this is the XML, the Windows HTTP request. So we're gonna do this. I'm gonna show you how to get all these things. Right? Let's go to Microsoft XML right here. Microsoft XML V6, the latest version. If you don't see V6, just select the latest one. All right, the highest number. All right, so we got that. Save. Now this guy is gonna also bark. Okay, so watch. Or maybe the other one. You see that guy also bark. Okay, so let's try again. Watch. See there? It highlights it. Okay, so that is the ActiveX. So let's go grab Microsoft ActiveX. Microsoft ActiveX right here. Hold on just a second. Where are you? Oh, right here. The latest. We want the library, okay? We want the library. That guy, 6.1. Okay, 6.1. Normally, whatever you select is a 6.1. Notice right here, 16, 6.1. So that's what we want. That's what we want right here. ActiveX object 6.1, the latest one. We want the library, okay? So select that. We got one more to go. This one is MSO, Microsoft Office. Show you. I meant to do compile. See there? Microsoft Office. We don't have that. So let's go ahead and grab that. Microsoft Office. Office. Went just a tad too far. We want the library. You see that object library? We want that guy. See there? That's good. We are done. Control S and save. Let's debug one time. Let's compile one time. Done. You see there? All done. Good. You are good. Alright, let's get this guy going. See if we get any marking. Currently, we have nothing in here. Alright, so let's open up the file access. Add. See how it says upload. Alright. I want to cancel that. I want to do something else here because I want to show you some the other ones. Right here, this guy is an ID. I am going to make that guy visible so that you know what I'm doing. Alright, Control S, save, open it up, and then we see this guy. Watch. When we open this guy, let's see what happened here. See that guy is 0? See there? So we're gonna say this one is first Excel file, and then this is an Excel. Alright, so I'm gonna save without uploading the file for now. Save. Do we have anything in here? Yes, we do. It's record 1, ID 1, but look at this. It's still 0. You see that? It's still 0. And that's the reason why I want to show you. Okay, so this is where you need to come back in here that I comment this guy out. See there? Need to get recently added ID. You see? Alright, if you work with the auto number, this is what you have to keep in mind, that whatever you create new, the ID is 0. You see there? It's never updated. So that's not what we want. Alright, so this is how we get it. Show you how we're gonna get it. We're gonna say D is new as boolean, and then we come in here, we'll say D is new true, and then right down here, because we only want that, we are interested in the new only. All right, if DB is new, then look, all access file document, you see that, ID equals current DB open record set. You see how, you see there, this is a trick right here. Okay, now we want to say select add identity. That's it. That's all you have to do. Alright, that's all you have to do. So if it's new, give me the last ID that you just inserted. That's what it means. Alright, that's what it means. So now, let's go back to our form. This guy right here, not that one. a form. Yep, this guy. Go to the save. Remember the save I was going to show you right here. Retrieve newly added. All right. We want to do this. See there? Access. Access file. Just first one. All right. And we want to do this. I'm gonna copy that guy. Copy. If then and if. Yeah, if you work with the auto number, this is what you want. You basically need to grab the latest ID. All right, equals true. That's all. All right. Now, see that we got one. Now let's add new one. It's 0. Okay, it's 0. Let's add this one. Is how about second file? And this one over here, this is PDF. All right, let's save that. Watch this one changes. See there? That's how you grab an ID. All right, that's how you grab an ID. All right, but you see how this guy is selected? We don't see the view button because we didn't save the file. Okay, so let's implement this upload now. Let's go to view. Oops, my bad. Design. So let's implement this guy. Select that button and go to this. Let's double click, select, and here we want to use s file path as string, and then we want to pass in the file name. If file function file exists, you see there, s file path, then do this, then me file path equals s file path. That's all you have to do. All right, that's all you have to do. See if that guy is going to show up. Okay, so close. Let's select that. Okay, hold on. When we select, we don't want to show this guy. Oh, we don't want to show this guy. We want to edit and show this guy. So I think my bad here. So let's display right here. I think my bad here. I'm going to take that out. That shouldn't be there. Alright, so let's do this. I'm going to close that out. So let's try again. That's better. Alright, that's better. Okay, now in order to upload, you got to edit. You see there? Open file. Let's see, there is a Excel application. Okay, this guy, I'm going to grab this guy right here, and if I save, currently we don't have file path. All right, so if I save, see how that guy shows up? Because we got a file there. Okay, we got a file there, and if we got a file there. So I'm gonna close that out. We can't view because there's nothing to view. We haven't implemented that guy yet. All right, we haven't implemented that guy. That guy didn't have anything. That guy is something. All right, so now let's go implement this button, view file. Yeah, let's go to view. So this is what you would do. You want to do things in iteration. All right, don't combine all the stuff together. Just make sure one feature works and then move on to the next. Alright, so here we say, okay, that file is selected. What we want to do is we say with me cmd view file in with. Alright, and then you say dot hyperlink, see hyperlink address equals o access file path. Alright, and then we'll say hyperlink dot follow. That's it. Follow means open it up. Alright, so okay, this button, we're gonna make this button that we just click, get this file, alright, and then open it up. Alright, this is called open. Okay, so save. That's all you have to do. That's pretty nice and straightforward, I think. Alright, let's go see if we can open that guy up. Select, open. Look at that. Isn't that nice? Okay, what about the other file? This is PDF. Alright, well actually I don't have a PDF anything here. So let's go to internet. We're gonna grab somebody. How about let's grab here, Albert Einstein. Let's check him out. You know what? Let's check him out. We're gonna make a document of this guy. I'm gonna copy that, highlight all that, open my Word. Word warrior there. Alright, and paste and save as. And then I'm gonna browse. We're gonna put this guy in the all access project, name him just like that. Save. Good. Alright, so close that out. We don't need that anymore, and we don't need that anymore. Nah. Let's go see if we have a file exists right here. Well, we should right there, right? So let's navigate to our folder. See there, right there, Albert Einstein. That one we just created. See there? Alright, we're gonna upload that guy into our folder, or into this guy right here. Into this guy. Let's yep, so edit, upload. We're gonna go to Albert. See there? Now save. That file is view. Are you sure you want to open this guy? Sure. Look at that. See there? File, Albert, PDF. And that's how you do it, mister. That's how you do it, mister. Alright, now let's add a new one. This one's gonna be document. Oh, we should have saved document. Word doc. You know what? Yeah, you know what? Let's do that. Let's go grab Albert again, or somebody. Albert. Yeah. Yeah, we like Albert. Alright, we're gonna make a Word document. We should have saved this in Word as well, but hindsight. So let's grab that guy, paste, save as, go to our folder, access, doc, we'll save that one. We're done, close. Alright, we should have, go ahead and close that guy too. Now we should have Albert. See that document? Okay. So see if we can open that guy up. Alright. Oh yeah, see this upload? There's a issues there. Let me show you why. We want to make sure even when we select this guy, you see there, after we update upload file, we want this guy to not show. You see there? Unless it is update. You see there, right there? That's better. That's what we want. Alright, so let's add a new one. Add. This one is Word doc. This this is a Word doc file, and then we also want to go ahead and upload at the same time. All right, so in there's Albert right here. See that Word doc? Save. Let's see if we can open this Word doc. Look at that. And that's how you do it. Nice and simple. Very, very nice and simple. All right. So I just show you how to upload and open up and view the file. All right. We turn this button into a hyperlink. If you notice the way we code. All right. So right here, view file, we turn that command button, this view file button, into a hyperlink. All right, and the hyperlink says open. Follow means open. All right, so that's all we need to do there. That's it. That's it, people. Nice and simple. Happy programming. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe, like, share, and hit that bell. And also comment below, and if you need help, inbox me. Thanks again.